If Instagram stories are not showing, not loading, or missing on your Android phone, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to fix the Instagram stories not showing issue, step by step. Before starting, make sure that you are using a stable network connection. You can switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Next, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then, turn it off and check if it works. Solution 1. Update the Instagram app. Using an outdated app can cause this issue. Open the Google Play Store, then search for Instagram, and tap Update if available. Now, try again to open Instagram. Solution 2. Clear the Instagram app cache. Now, let's clear up the app cache. Hold the Instagram app. It will show a pop-up menu. Then, tap on the round eye icon at the top corner. Now, scroll down and tap Storage. Next, tap Clear the cache. Also, clear the data if you do not have a login account. Then, check if it works. And that's how you could fix the Instagram stories not showing issue on Android. If this video helps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which method worked for you. See you in the next fix!